at Restoration Hardware in New York City. My friend Zach, also a tech founder, invited me here for lunch. I had no idea what I was in for. So the rooftop is an oasis. The store itself is one beautiful room design after another. We're in Chelsea, I believe. It's a beautiful summer in New York. You know what time it is. So I'm long pressing and holding the Spherio to move to a better location in an attempt to tag this. I'm thinking by the front door could be better. This looks like a good spot. Still needing better data. I'm going to sign off the Wi-Fi. Try one more time.